First time I rode timber was on a 24-inch wheel, giant hardtail V-brakes, and it was a long ride. I believe we were trying to ride California, because at that time, California was on the map, and it looked to be the easiest, shortest route off the mountain. We did not find California. Ran out of water, ended up on Tillman Road somewhere, but. Timber Wolf is kind of like the destination ride, because you get the experience at the top. You can drive up there or ride up there, and big views off the ridge. Certain times of the year it's spectacular up there. This is kind of the main trail for both the locals and out-of-towners coming to the Shenandoah Mountain area. So the main focus of this trail work is to add water bars, tread reconstruction, and rock armoring. It is an old road, so we are trying to give it a little bit more shape and reclaim some of the troughs and the ruts that have formed. There are ruts that are over 10 inches deep. The trail is going to be closer to what it was like when I started riding it. You know, it will be a little bit smoother for the first year or two, likely, but it is very fun. There's a lot of good high-speed hallways. We're trying to leave all the good sections there are and just clean up the really rough sections and the ones that are deteriorating. So this is kind of the early phase of some armoring. We'll work on this. We want to have the riders to be able to catch themselves, places for people to walk. We'll still do some work on the rocks to kind of get them to fit tighter, but we like to place these big ones with a machine and then go back and tighten them up by hand and fill any voids and just clean it up with hand. But we use the machine to easily move some of these big plate rocks around that will stay in place for many years to come.